Okay, now we will start with how to interface LCD with keypad. So currently, if you observe here, the LCD is not showing any of the data. If I give any inputs to it, it is not going to take. So we are going to interface keypad with LCD. So here you need to connect all the ports. If you observe here, all the jumpers should be towards the keypad, and coming to your LCD, all the jumpers should be connected to LCD device. So that is, these are the two things you need to remember. Coming to the program here, so you need to observe here, is to select enable and data pins to which port pins we have been selected, and keypad to which port pins we are going to select. These two things you need to remember. So later, coming to the program here, so what else you need to display here? I'm going to display the string, that is RRITEC, and press key. Press key is nothing but what type of key I'm going to press, whether it is 1 2 3 4 ABC or whatever it is going to display onto the screen. That is your LCD. So we'll check this. First and foremost we need to do is we need to debug the code. So first we will debug the code. So you can observe here, so it is selecting the target. It takes some time. Okay, so no errors. So let it run for some time until it finishes its flashing the code into the system. It takes some time. Okay, so the file has been created, there is no errors. So let us load the file. So let me check once. So when you get this an error, like when you go to dump the code, they show no link or debug device found. So if you get this error, first and foremost what you have to do is go to flash, go to configuration. Here in the debug mode, here you need to change the debug is STLinker. Change this and say OK. Now you can load the code. So again there is a problem. Let us see once. That error comes when your cable is not connected properly. So the cable is connected properly, that has been loaded now. So after loading you need to reset the CPU. So let me reset it once. So you need to reset the once. So after you reset, it start printing RRITEC keypad. Now this is what we are going to display onto the screen. Now let me check once. Let me type 1 0 1 2 3 and so on. So again let us see 4 5 6 7 8 9 and A B C D. So these are whatever the values we have given, that will be displayed. This is interfacing with keypad with LCD. Okay.